So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix pretty much any eye problem you may have, okay? Now, understand this, to fix the eye, you have to understand the body heals systemically. And if you have an eye problem, it means essentially that you have an systemic problem, but your eyes are the weakest link. It also means that you're going to have excess mucus and acids in the head region, and this is affecting the eyes directly, okay? It's also going to be affecting your ears, your nasal passage, your brain, anything in the head region is going to be affected. You might not see it, but it's being affected. You might even have hair loss, premature graying, okay, etc. But the way to fix it is to first get the mucus and acids out of your head region. How do you do this? You're going to clean your ears. You're going to use a spray water gun or ear candling. You're going to clean your nasal passage. You're going to use a neti pot with essential oils like peppermint. You're going to clean your eyes. We have an eyesight formula on our website. Take a few drops, put into eye cup, wash your eyes. You're going to massage the back of your head here. Okay, the neurolymphatic points at the back of your upper back and also the back of the head. You're going to do scalp massages. You're going to use the respiratory tea and tincture on my website. Why? It has herbs like coltsfoot, annula. These are going to break the mucus congestion and the upper GI tract and help the acids leave the head region. You're going to clean your bowels. Okay, it's very important you understand this. Your head sits on the GI tract, so the energy flows downward. If this is constipated, you can't get the acids out. The eyes suffer. Okay, use my eyesight tea as well. Drink it. Use it and wash your eyes twice a day is fine. Drink it. There's eye bright herb in there. It has bilberry, fantastic for your eyes. Work on your liver. The liver and eyes are tied together. Use the liver formula on my website. Use the liver tea on my website. Okay, clean all that out. More importantly, your eye problems is a lymphatic problem. Okay, which means you need an all fruit diet to address it, because that's how you can move the lymph system. You have to work on your kidney filtration, because the kidneys will filter out the lymph system. So at least 3 kidney formulas, a kidney tea. Work on your endocrine glands. Clean your bowels, as I mentioned already. Work on your adrenal glands to fight inflammation for you. And go on an all-fruit diet. Time frame depends on the severity of your issues. You will see a healing crisis. You're going to see some worsening of symptoms, sometimes a blurry vision. It will come and go, but it will heal. And when it heals, you'll be able to see perfectly well again. No matter how far gone it is, I always believe in trying, but this is how you fix any eye problems. Forget the names. The name is irrelevant. The system is how you fix the eyes. It's how you fix the entire body. We always heal systemically, and with additional herbs here for the head region and the eye region. And this is how you fix pretty much any eye problems.